Standard 10. Today we are going to discuss topic male reproductive system from chapter 3, reproduction. Male reproductive system, it comprises of following parts: testis, epididymis, vas deferens, prostate gland, seminal vesicles and penis. So students, male reproductive system actually is made up of following parts, which are testis, epididymis, vas deferens, prostate gland, seminal vesicles and finally penis. So students, here testis is called as the primary sexual organ of male, whereas penis is called as the secondary sexual organ of male. Testis, it is paired oval structure which is found to be hanging in scrotum. So students, testis actually is a paired oval structure, that is a oval structure which is present 2 in number and which is found further hanging in the scrotum. So students, scrotum is actually a deeply pigmented pouch like structure. So students, let's understand testis with the help of this picture. Students, here you can notice a oval structure which is present on both the sides. So students, that is why it is called as paired structure. Students, if you will notice, if you concentrate, then you will be able to notice that it is oval shaped. And moreover, it also hangs in a pouch like structure which is called as scrotum. Students, in this picture you can also notice epididymis, prostate gland, seminal vesicles and vas deferens. Testis synthesizes sperm. So students, if you concentrate here in this picture, you will be able to notice that the main function of the testis is to synthesize sperm. Students, you can also notice the pouch like structure which hangs just next to the penis, and that is called as the scrotum. And you can also notice the bladder, prostate gland and penis in this picture. Epididymis. Epididymis, it stores sperm temporarily. So students, epididymis is the part of male reproductive system, the main function of which is to store the sperm temporarily. So students, epididymis stores the sperm only for a short period of time, and from there it is further released to the vas deferens. Vast difference. It carries sperm to prostate gland. So students, vas deferens is actually a paired tube-like structure, and the main function of which is to carry the sperm to the prostate gland. Prostate gland. It secretes milky whitish fluid substance. So students, prostate gland actually is a small accessory gland, the main function of which is to release the fluid which is appearing like milky in color. Penis. It ejaculates semen in female genital tract. So students, penis actually ejaculates, that is releases the semen in the female genital tract. So students, if you concentrate on this picture, then you will be able to notice the penis, the vas deferens, which you can see students, it's a tube-like structure, the prostate gland, which is actually a small accessory gland which releases the milky whitish fluid substance. And apart from this parts, students, you can also notice the seminal vesicle which is present here and which also acts as a accessory gland and releases fructose, which acts as a source of food for the sperm. Sperm. It is male gamete which comprises of head, middle piece and tail. So students, sperm is actually a male gamete, that is male reproductive cell, which generally comprises of head, middle piece and tail. So students, there are three distinct parts of a sperm cell which is being synthesized by the male reproductive system. Students, sperm cell is generally synthesized by the testis. Students, it is the sperm cell which fertilizes the egg. So students, we can easily concentrate on the three distinct parts of the sperm here, which are head. So students, this whole part is called as the head. This part which you can see here students, this is the middle piece. And students, if you notice here, then this is called as the tail. So students, sperm has a three distinct parts. which is produced as a important cell in the male reproductive system. Students, now let us discuss an important question. What are various parts of sperm? The following are the parts of sperm: head, middle piece and tail. Thank you, students.